Our last story was written by
Aleecia, Leonardo, Frederick, Samantha, and this is our story.
and it's called The Great Nerve-Wracking Ball Dance.
Hey! Woo! Hey! Turn it up, turn it up! Welcome to the Mars Space Station Ball. It's pretty stirring, nerve-wracking, and floaty tonight. Get ready to dance until you drop. Sponsored by Lilly Factory.
Adrienne, the astronaut. Good-looking, artsy, adventurous. Adrienne, the astronaut. Good-looking, artsy, adventurous.
I'm Adrienne, the astronaut. I'm at the floating buffet ball in space on Mars. I'm here to dance, here to dance, here to dance. To win that chocolate trophy for myself.
Adrienne, the astronaut. He wants that Lilly Factory chocolate. Adrienne, the astronaut. He wants that Lilly Factory chocolate.
And let the competition begin. It's whoever is standing last wins.
Wins what?
The Mars Factory chocolate trophy.
Wow, how will I beat that astronaut?
Lucifer, giant and fierce. He glued those dancing shoes onto the floor. Lucifer, giant and fierce. He glued those dancing shoes onto the floor.
I'm confused, my shoes are stuck to the floor. I can't win if I can't dance. That Lucifer, he sabotaged me.
Whoops!
Hey, cameras! Did you catch that?
Yes, we did! Adrienne is gonna win. It's Lily's glue remover, glue will save the day. Adrienne is gonna win. Miss Lily's glue remover, glue will save the day.
I'm grateful to have won this chocolate trophy. I'm so surprised, excited, and overwhelmed. I'm crying tears of joy and forgiveness. Hey, Lucifer!
What?
Do you want to dance?
Sure.
Adrienne and Lucifer are dancing friends. They're partners now instead of enemies. Adrienne and Lucifer are dancing friends. They're partners now instead of enemies.
I got Victoria.
Adrienne, the astronaut, and the great nerve-wracking ball dance. Adrienne, the astronaut, and the great